Put on speaker. Say what?
Yes. I read the phone there on speaker.
Yeah, this speaker.
Okay. Mama Nora, what's send for you? Send you message. You said
Mama Nora, don't give wife. Enogie wife.
Yeah, Enogie wife.
Okay, we hear you.
I mean someone on paper, my brother. Mama Nora.
Someone on paper.
I not say yes, I have a paper.
What you make up? What you make? What's happening?
She lied on my head. She's this morning people they come and say that woman say she don't go post my picture for her page.
Tomorrow is my birthday. Tomorrow.
Hello?
I hear you. They hear you. Now I go for the now answer. Now give my answer to. Talk to us. They hear you.
I think say she don't go post my picture for this thing for her page. That her dead platform. Say my husband called her this morning. All they cry give her say he pikin when he born. Say not be able to give her belly on top. I was like, what? So now I take go some more. Now on Sunday they put say me will come. Now Pentecost come to say Enogie come outside with the baby mama. They call they insult their family. So me, I be not one follow them so because me I not the presenter like them. The year presenter when they not be me and the wife. You understand?
Yeah.
Because I be one I will deal with her well. They say no say not be all comments and the nonsense people. She say if I go swear for her, she not feel swear for your family, me go no say not me. Mama not listen to me, I listen good. Me, I be Isha woman, yes, Sammy. You dey hear me so? I not be beneath us here. I go to deal with you bad. If I want swear for you, now 32 places. Now I go for swear for you. 32.
Wait, madam, wait. What do you do, Mama Nora, before Mama Nora come dey post your picture? Come dey, husband. Wait. No rush. Madam, wait, no rush. No rush. Small. Understand? No dey rush. What happened to you and him?
What happened be say I go this I propose the Godfather place. Now I cause it say I propose dog post say she don't get the leg. Not the only me comment on that cause it's Jesus.
You get belly?
I don't get belly.
Manora get belly. She get belly.
They say she get belly. Me I don't know. Now
the one way the twins were born so I be another one.
Another one again say he don't. He also confirm and say he don't get belly. So as they do the video say that they have been say they get belly, I was shocked because me too I'm the mother, you know. So I can't say now me and this woman born almost the same time. Then I tell her like video me I tell her on the money on the matter. So I can't say me and this woman at the same time we born together. You understand?
Wait, so now the same time I born now the same time I born those twins.
No, as in no, they may not be like video presenter, but I know when she take born. So her baby use 1 month take pass my baby.
That is the twins we born so be?
Yeah, the twins. Now I say even since when me born, now I'm not sure say me don't do something reach 5 times. Now this woman don't carry another belly now. I'm really happy. They don't get body. Their baby they tiny, you know. And all these things, you know, when woman just they get belly on top of new pikin when you born, it they affect the baby, you know. I put the nice
they see that twins. Say they see that twins so.
I don't know for that. Now I say that make her. It's not they make it develop when. Now what I talk, which is true. You understand? Because I say so when I talk, I not fit stand on top. I don't lie for your head, Mama. No, that when you say you want to go this way. What do you want to? So you be fool. You don't know the take this way.
Okay, wait to.
You can. If I not thought that was what you thought.
Wait, you can comment.
When I talk, I don't lie. Now when I lie, I think you go home you. Your baby they tiny. I thought say now this is the concern. Now so you like prick shoe. Now when I talk.
Okay, you can say you like prick.
Yes, I got to say
you like bola.
Now so you like
bola.
Now what for this woman? I want to know what for this woman. Now that what I on, I should go carry my picture. Not only me, many people, a lot of people comment for that place.
Okay, wait. Now they understand. The post where Aproko post for Aproko war, you can go comment, put say, this woman, now the same time, you talk now born. Now, so this woman like Bola. Abi? Wait, does it get Belena now? Who be this now? They use call the disturbance. Ostra. I want to disturb this call abeg. Am I right? Hello, you hear me? You hear what I talk?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, as you can't talk that word, man, not I can't vex.
I comment.
Who be this person?
Yes, I hear you.
Ostra caller, fair hold on first. Person they call. And this phone to the call, so now the person did. So as you thought that word, now man, not I provoke, can't bring your picture, come out.
If I bring my picture, if you bring my picture, come and not really be my picture. You not be my problem. But you can't talk say, people when me born, he not even know me from anywhere. You mama know that your life is outside because you are a presenter. You don't even know me. She can't talk say, the people when me born, when me talk say me and I born the same time. Say now so shit they fuck around because I don't want to put on to my because for my place now.
Okay. And you are a married woman.
Yeah, I'm a married woman. Wait, their husband has done.
The pay wait. Your bride price is me paid.
Yes, paid.
Okay. So she can't talk. Say your baby enemy, not be your baby. Say yes. When you carry the belly, you the your enemy the miyogom around. Abi?
Yeah.
So which is
she
strong.
She can't say my husband said, "Call now." People want to ask me say, why you carry this woman picture come and say now my husband crack on me and this morning. Mama know that you don't know the difference between lie.
Okay, wait.
You lie for my head.
The listener, hold on, you don't talk your own. You don't talk your own. Now you find trouble. You understand? Now you find trouble. You dey feel me so?
I dey hear you.
If person say in get belle, na in toto, na Bcuz do the at least na your man dey house. You understand? Even though they born every week, na your cup of tea. If you don't like the post, you put red head or you command there, or you dislike and you command there. You understand? That comment wait now. That comment where you write there, you totally wrong. No woman will not like that thing. You understand? It depends on how you think like to do them every day. You feel me so? You wrong for there. My man or himself come over your heart, can still go wrong by lying against you. She's not supposed to lie against you. If you want us to talk your own matter, see this going on, but for go lie against your husband. Say your husband call her, come they cry for her. That is totally wrong. You understand? Now them man know that for still get wrong. If your husband take action for that kind of words, man know that you go pay for it. You understand me so? You see this matter now, a matter of two women. You understand? Now because say when we be women, they could overreact. This matter never reach to carry person go Juju. You're supposed to tell my man that sorry. My man that goes to tell you sorry. You understand? For lying against you. Mama Nora, now you know give spoiler. Mama Nora will not be like that. Now you know the child they build into saga of lie. Doing saga, if you do saga of truth, you don't get problem with people. But when you do saga of lies, and that problem will come. Now saga Malora when you do, if you say one saga you by lying against your husband, not only you, even your husband, by saying your husband call her. You understand? Now that one is not good. That kind of word is too expensive for social media. Against the person will be say he just lay a comment on the post will be say not be you evil poster, not be she evil poster, now Aproko poster.
Yeah.
You understand? Not be for her own war, now Aproko war. You understand? So she go see those things for Aproko war. He should not get right to condo lie, those kind of expensive lie. You understand? How many people you go fit saga? If you look the comments, everybody insult. How many you go fit saga? In the film, so that one is totally wrong because you see your Facebook now genuine, now real account. Now we can do those things, and it's not good. You understand? So Mama Laura, that thing where you do, it's not good. You yourself, wait, you know, say you do so, it's not still good because you get your own man. Even though your own, not they give you your own, you know they give you your own, you know they give you bola every year, every day. You know, if you know, say you know they work, a jobless man. So if you they give you wife every week, every minute, every seconds, you know, since you call the whites, you know the red with the whites, because you know the shit of blood, waiting they fuck every day. You understand? So maybe they ball like chicken, you don't not be anybody problem. And your own cup of tea. This now German now picking the one for German. So German go here work for Doge, huh? Freaking pick long. You go feel manifest. Because they make you they are school they give us first they go stop school. See they know you go day class they read, they think of bola, they think of how you wanted knock, how you wanted give and head. You go day class, they think of how I'll give and head, I'll give and head. Now I think to class. That one, so no verse here, no verse. Sorry. This matter, you never reach Ojuju matter, please. If you get when you want to resolve, you understand? Now resolve. I just gotta beg you. You understand? All of us, now one, just never reach one women. You understand? This one just to solve now, just settle myself, I beg. You understand?
Bros, you know why I go summon this woman? Because that thing, if to say she just insult me like woman to woman, I know we talk. She lied on me, right? And she got me a claim right on top. Okay, people comment, not the only me comment, say this woman you just sleep on, one sleep on, every year you sleep on. Why can't be saying I'm my own? She said I bully her before. She will bring one particular.
Now because of your picture, where you see. Now because of your picture, where you see.
If she said they bully her, she'll bring comment when me don't say bully her. She don't feel bring her.
I beg.
You understand?
I beg, no verse. No verse. Yet no verse. Sorry, I just God beg you. You can't respect when you respect me.
When me and she we get case which is on Sunday. Because when she and the husband calls their family today, now me want they talk to her and say back to her and her family because today they still started their home outside. And they not gay and your wife. Do not think I don't be that type of person now bring come outside before they shake. Gone are those days when person will say they bring person how they shake. You know they see person outside this so.
And you're fresh, you fresh.
Me when you're dead gallant like this.
You be like you live gallant.
About the fear or the share. Are you crazy or something? You they mad they not give woman.
Sorry now. I don't have the beg.
When you swear to pay for your cheek.
Wait, I beg, madam, beg.
Yeah, for Bele, back for you. And let me tell you, Mama Nora from this place.
I beg, don't do that.
You are so big. You know if they are so big. Me not the presenter. For you say if they are yellow pick. Me will tell you say me. Now inside tell me for grow. Inside like this for farm.
Wait, madam. We are bad.
Me and you for full leg for trouser. I'm not the presenter. For you will regret the day.
Don't do. But I don't do.
It's nothing for some people they bring down my picture. Don't bring it down. Let it remain there. Now your head will take face.
Wait now.
Your head.
Wait.
Some people they pay you. I don't live on Facebook, Mama Nora. Do I live on Facebook? Hell no. You know the shame. As you peaceful. You don't enter live with every minute. You're on live video. They find money. Me, I know they do live video so they feed there. I know they use live.
Ostra, hold on now. Hold on.
You they lie. You when they cause everywhere. Now me you can't see, can't put. You will see what you will see for inside. You so. Now me for be the last. I know just you don't follow some person do case.
But wait now. You see this matter be a very simple matter. One not the stress matter like this. You understand? The saga what me I know they do. Wait now. Now use my auto score outside.
You know who I never cause your children. After I don't swear for you where we're finished, post them. Then you say go post your own. Well, after I go through with you, if really my husband call you or I sleep around, you don't know me. You don't know who did you offend. Me, I thought I said yes. Comment when I write is bold and it's everywhere. That's true I talk. Where I forgot someone you, I don't already talk. See where I talk. And it's no guarantee to lie on me because I never lied on you.
Okay, don't do that. Now only send a more call. Now take an easy madam here. Sorry. I will talk to Enogie and the wife. I will deal with them myself. You understand? Just leave them for me. They are my now they be my mix. Na me be their juju. Na me know I think the cost for them. Na me be their enemy. They don't be their enemy. Okay, okay. Hello.
Hello.
Would they hear you with the speaker?
Oh, thank you so much, my brother. You don't talk with me, I won't talk. My sister, Adisha, I beg my sister, I will tell you the truth. You do bad thing. Oh, yeah, but whoever will need be. Now you first talk to that woman. Treating her now, treating them now in life to now say you will go 32 or 20 something.